Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Git and how to use Git in your system. So Git is a version control system so that you can manage your code and keep track of all your file changes so that you don't have to create the copy of your files. So for that you just need to download the Git from this link and just go to download and download the Windows version from here. And to keep track of the and use the Git in your system, you can just download TortoiseGit. TortoiseGit is nothing but a GUI for using the Git. It's just a user interface on the command line shell, so that you can just easily use this. So for download the TortoiseGit, go to the download link here and just download the Windows version. Check for your version, is it a 32-bit or 64-bit, and download that version. So I already download in my system and install that Git. First you need to download the Git and then you need to download the TortoiseGit. Okay, so let me just show you. I'm gonna create a folder, let's say repo 1, and inside that folder I'm gonna create a, let's say, text file. Okay, I created that file and I'm gonna insert some text, just dummy text, and I'm gonna save that. And for that, if I go into my system and right click on that folder, see Git create repository here. If you download the TortoiseGit, you can able to see this kind of option in your options in your system. So you can just say Git create repository here on the folder and click OK. Okay, so it's created the system. If you just click on that and go Git commit, you can see, so this is the unknown, the status is unknown. You can see the file, newly created file here. If you double click that, so you can see, so this file is created, and I just need to check on that and added file text. I just writing a random text. You can write the proper message for here and just click on commit and it will commit the changes. So see, that's how you created the Git file and repository in your local system. So I think that's it for now, and I'm going to continue in my second video. Okay, thank you.